You run a home service business. Let's face it, you're juggling a million things at once. You're booking appointments, dispatching your team, creating estimates, invoicing clients, and let's not forget, getting paid. That's where tools like Housecall Pro and Square come in. But do they play well together? Can they streamline your operations and make your life easier? That's the burning question, isn't it? Let's dive in. First off, what is Housecall Pro? It's a powerful software designed specifically for home service businesses. Think of it as your digital command center. You can schedule jobs, manage your team, create estimates, and send invoices. It's like having a personal assistant for your business. On the other hand, Square is a payment processing platform that's become a staple for small businesses. It's not just about swiping cards anymore. Square offers a suite of tools to help you manage your sales, inventory, and even employee management. So, the big question is, can these two powerhouses work together to create a streamlined operation for your home service business? The short answer is yes, but it's not as straightforward as you might think. Housecall Pro doesn't have a native integration with Square. That means you can't directly sync data between the two platforms. However, fear not, there are workarounds. One popular option is to use a third-party integration tool like Zapier. Zapier is like a magical connector that can link different apps together. You can set up zaps to automate tasks between Housecall Pro and Square. For example, you could create a zap that automatically creates a customer in Square when a new customer is added to Housecall Pro. While Zapier offers flexibility, it's important to note that it might not be the most efficient or cost-effective solution for everyone. Depending on the complexity of your workflows, you might find yourself juggling multiple zaps, which can increase the risk of errors and slow down your processes. Another option to consider is using a dedicated integration platform built specifically for home service businesses. These platforms often offer more robust integration features and may provide additional benefits beyond just connecting Housecall Pro and Square. Before you jump into any integration, it's crucial to assess your specific needs. Consider the size of your business, the number of transactions you process, and the complexity of your workflows. This will help you determine the best approach for your situation. One thing to keep in mind is that even with an integration in place, there might still be some manual data entry required. For example, you might need to manually enter payment information into Housecall Pro after processing a payment in Square. While this isn't ideal, it's a common challenge faced by many businesses. So, does Housecall Pro integrate with Square? Technically, no, not directly. But with the help of third-party tools or dedicated integration platforms, you can create a workable solution. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that best fits your business needs. Remember, technology is a tool, not a magic wand. While integrations can streamline your operations, they won't solve all your problems. It's important to have realistic expectations and be prepared to adapt your processes as needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.